system is made up of? This lymphatic system is made up of what? Lymphatic vessels, lymphatic capillaries, and lymphatic nodes. That means where two lymphatic capillaries are connected, that is we can call lymphatic node. In lymphatic system, for example, this is heart. Okay, heart example only. Okay, so heart is divided into 4 chambers. In the red side, biggest blood vessel is aorta. Aorta divided into small branches, arteries. Arteries are divided into arterioles. Arterioles are divided into small branches. These small branches we can call capillaries. Try to understand. Aorta is the biggest blood vessel, that is divided into arteries. Arteries divided into arterioles. Arterioles again divided into small blood capillaries. In that blood capillaries, whatever hair-like structures in blood capillaries, small pores is there. Pores means holes. Okay, so that I have to draw here. This is the arteriole. Again, arteriole also small branch. These are the capillaries. On the surface of the capillaries, small pores is there. Through with pores, small fluid, little bit fluid is coming outside through with fluid. Try to understand. For example, that fluid is colorless fluid. Here having what? Tissues. For example, this is tissue. Between capillaries, it will be releasing small fluid, which is the colorless fluid, which is do not have blood. That fluid is enter into the tissues, so that it is called tissue fluid. Tissue fluid is nothing. Tissue fluid is the substance of blood only, but in that tissue fluid, which do not have blood cells, platelets, everything is optional. Only colorless water-like substances are enter into the tissues, so that it is called tissue fluid. This tissue fluid, nothing but we can call lymph. This lymph combines and forms smallest capillaries, we can call smallest vessel, that is we can call lymphatic capillaries. Lymphatic, that means which supplies smallest depths, lymphatic capillaries. These lymphatic capillaries combine and connect and form lymphatic vessels. We can call lymphatic vessels. These lymphatic, so that I write here, lymphatic vessels. These lymphatic vessels combine and form lymphatic node. Lymphatic nodes combine and form what? Veins. It is enter into the veins. Understand? Okay, veins. Okay, through with the veins, it is enter into the heart. Okay, so that what will be happen here? That means arterioles, it is divided into small capillaries. Through with capillaries, in capillary small pores is there. Through with pore, okay, the tissue fluid is enter into the tissues. The tissues fluid, that lymphatic, it is connected with what? Lymphatic capillaries, small branches, small capillaries. These capillaries combined and form what? Lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels are enter into the lymphatic node. Through with lymphatic node, lymphatic vessels are enter into the veins, connected with veins. Veins sending the waste materials into the heart. That means This lymphatic system, that is the fluid between bloodstream and organs. That is important. Okay. What is lymph means what? Lymph is a fluid. It is the fluid. It connects what? Tissues with bloodstream. Bloodstream. That means blood into blood whatever digested materials are enter into the tissue by what? Lymphatic material. Whatever waste material in tissue like carbon dioxide, toxic materials, waste materials, that is again enter into the lymphatic capillaries to lymphatic vessels to veins to heart. It is supplied to the heart. So that I am told starting what? It supplies the waste material or like carbon dioxide, organs to heart, tissues to organ. So that it is a separate fluid which is essential to supply the nutrients to the tissues to blood. Waste material it is supplying lymphatic system. Okay. Here what are the functions of what? Lymph. The functions of lymph, it captures bacteria. Okay. Bacteria. It captures the bacteria in blood, whatever enter into the blood, and it is sending into the lymphatic node. Lymphatic nodes means what? Where two lymphatic vessels are connects. That is, two lymphatic nodes are connecting places. That is, we can call node. Lymphatic node. Okay. In lymphatic node, these are useful to destroy the bacteria. That means in blood, if it is contained bacteria, it is absorbed by what? Lymph, sending into the lymphatic node. In lymphatic node, these bacteria are destroyed, killed. And next one, in the absorption of fatty acids in blood, fatty acids is there. Absorption of fatty acids and transport the fats and chyle, waste materials, chyle to the circulatory system, to the heart. What it supplies means what? Fatty acids. Whatever fat size there in blood, fatty acids is absorbed by lymph only. It is sending into the heart. Okay. This is the information about lymphatic system. Nothing but fluid between the organs and bloodstream. Small, colorless fluid, water-like substances supplying the nutrients. That is, we can call, especially supply waste material from blood to heart. Okay. That is, we can call lymphatic system, lymph. Okay. Okay, hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about lymph. What is lymph? Just as lymph is nothing but, lymph is a Latin word. Okay, lymph is a Latin word. Lymph is a Latin word. What is the meaning of lymph? Means what? Water-like substance. Water-like substance, colorless fluid, or we can call tissue fluid. Okay. What is the meaning of lymph? Lymph is a Latin word. What is the meaning of lymph? Means what? Just like a colorless substance, water-like substance. Water. Okay. This color-like substance or tissue fluid, what is the use of it? To transport the waste material from organs to circulatory system. Organs to waste materials. Okay, so that I had written waste materials. Transport the waste material or toxic material from organs to heart. Unidirectional. So that means it is sending unidirectional. What is the meaning of unidirectional? Means what? These are sending the waste material from organs to heart only. Okay, toxic materials are waste material. For example, lymph. What is lymph? Where we have to observe the lymph? Okay, generally lymph means, for example, okay, first of all, in our body, blood is a fluid type of tissue, connective tissue. Blood is red in color. Why? Because it is red in color. In that, RBC, BC, platelets and plasma plasma proteins, so that everything is there. These are the blood component, different type of components is there in blood. So that blood is red in color. RBC is present, platelets is present, and also what? Okay, plasma proteins, everything is there in blood. But in lymph, they do not have what? Do not have RBC and platelets and plasma proteins also. Only in WBC what it consists? Only lymphatic cells, which are white blood types of white blood cells, lymphatic cells. These are absent. What are absent? RBC is absent, so that it is colorless. This lymph is colorless. Why? Because in that RBC is absent, platelets is absent, and proteins are absent. Plasma proteins are absent. Just it is a fluid, a light color fluid, which is connected with organs with bloodstream. Okay, that means, okay, so that